Hello students and welcome to my channel. So students, today we are going to start with the topic that is quadratic equation. In this topic, what concepts we are going to cover is, first of all, I'll be telling about in its introduction that what is quadratic equation, which equation can we regard it as a quadratic equation. We'll clear each and everything in this introduction part. Next is solution, how to solve a quadratic equation, and then we'll be discussing its nature and the word problems related to quadratic equation. So now we are going to start with the introduction part. See, whichever equation which can be expressed in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where x is a variable. Likewise, if I say ay square by plus c, so in both of these conditions x and y are what? Variable. And if I say a and b, so they are the numerical coefficients. It can be in fraction also. Now if I say this is a quadratic equation, in short, the equation whose degree is 2 is known as quadratic equation. Now coming on to the point, what is degree? So degree is highest power of x in a given equation. अब देखिए ये equation दी गई है, x की power here it is 2 and here the power of x is 1. So highest power of x is what? 2. If the highest power of x is 2, that means degree is 2, so we call that equation as quadratic equation. Now the question comes in this part only. They say prove that. What you have to prove? They give us one question and then they say ki prove that this value is a solution of this quadratic equation. So in that question, what we do, we put the value of x over there only. Like this gave us x is equals to 1 by 3. If x is equals to 1 by 3, then find that it is a solution of this quadratic equation. Whether, find not whether x is equals to 1 by 3 is a solution of quadratic equation. Question is what? For a quadratic equation, they mention for a quadratic equation, the equation is 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Show x is equals to 1 by 3 is a solution. So when they say for a quadratic equation x is equals to 1 by 3 is a solution, that means we'll put the value of x over here as 1 by 3. तो x की जगह हमने 1 by 3 रखा. If I'm putting x is equals to 1 by 3, so I'll be getting this whole answer as 0. So here I'll get 3 into 1 by 9 plus 5 by 3 minus 2 equals 0. Thus, it will be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3, I'll get 6 by 3 minus 2 equals 0. Thus, it will be 3 into 2, 6. So, 2 minus 2 is 0. Hence, LHS equals RHS we have got. So, we can say that x is equals to 1 by 3 is a solution of it. Now, sometimes they also give us certain equations, like they give us x minus 2 whole square equal 4x. Is this a quadratic equation? Yes. How it is a quadratic equation? We'll solve it. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 minus 4x. मैंने a minus b whole square का identity I have put over here. So we'll solve it. So what we are getting over here is x square plus 8x plus 4. Hence this equation came in the form of this equation came in this form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore it is what? It is a quadratic equation. So in this introduction part, what we have covered is how to identify that a given equation is a quadratic equation if that equation can be expressed in this form. So it is a quadratic equation, and then we have seen how certain values are a solution of the quadratic equation. If LHS comes to be equal to RHS, then it is a solution of quadratic equation. Now we'll see how to solve these quadratic equations. Methods of solving quadratic equation. We have three methods of solving this quadratic equation. The one is factorization method, which we have studied in class 9th also. Second one is formula method, and third one is completing square method. In your book, especially in ICSE board, only factorization and formula method is given. The third method is not given. So I am telling you for the sake of your knowledge. Now we'll start with the first method, that is factorization method. I am taking one example over here. Likewise, example I am having x square minus 6x equal 27. We can see over here highest power of x is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. We are solving by factorization method. X square minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. अब देखिए factorization method कहें या splitting middle term कहें, minus here the constant term is minus 27. तो minus 27 के हम factors निकालेंगे. Factors क्या होंगे? minus 1 into 27. In two table there we cannot find 27. Minus 3 into 9. अब देखिए 9 into 3 will get 27. 9 minus 3 will get 6. But the point is we want minus 6. So I'll not do 9 minus 3. What I'll do? I'll do over here minus 9 plus 3. So I'll write it accordingly, minus 9x plus 3x minus 27 equals 0. So pairing कर लेंगे. X I'll take common. So x I have got 3 I'll take common. X minus 9. Thus ये quadratic equation हमने solve कर ली. दोनों factors को which we have got इनको equalize करेंगे. 0 के equal will put. So the value of x is what? 9. And x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 3. Hence the solution of this quadratic equation. So the answer is what? X is equals to 9 and minus 3. 9 and minus 3 are the solutions of this quadratic equation. This we have solved by factorization method. We'll see one more example with this method only, that is the factorization method only. So the next example we'll solve through this method only, that is factorization method. The question is 2x minus 3 whole square equals 25. अब ये square है, so we'll put identity over here, a minus b whole square identity. So what I'll get? 4x square plus 9 minus 3 into 2 6 2 is 12x. आइडेंटिटी अगर आपको नहीं याद है तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ. a minus b whole square identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. अब मैं ये constant term को I'll shift over here. 4x square minus 12x plus 9 minus 25 equals 0. So here I will get what? 4x square minus 12x plus 15 minus 9 if I do. Minus will get. So 15 minus 9, 6. So 16 I have got over here. 4 will take common from here. So we'll get x square minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. अब 4 के फैक्टर्स चाहिए. माइनस 4 के फैक्टर्स 1 into 4 4. 4 minus 1 3. अगेन किस में आएगा माइनस साइन, क्योंकि ये -3 है तो लार्जेस्ट डिजिट में माइनस साइन आएगा. एक्स स्क्वायर -4x plus x minus 4 equals 0. Here we'll take x common from here, we'll take x minus 4, 1 common लिया, x minus 4. ये आप ध्यान दीजिएगा, बहुत बार what we do, हम यहाँ पर -4x नहीं करके 4x minus x we do, but in this case we'll get 3x. So we don't want 3x, we want what? -4x plus x will do, so we'll get -3x. Now we have got the answer x plus 1, x minus 4 equals 0. Thus the value of x is -1 and 4. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation with the help of factorization method. Now we'll see the next method, that is formula method. See, now what does this formula method says? Formula method says quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. That means the coefficient of x square is a and the coefficient of x will regard it as b, and c is the constant term over here. So if the equation is given in this form, we can directly apply the formula and that formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now I'll tell you how to solve this quadratic equation with the help of this formula. If we are using this formula to solve any quadratic equation, so that method is known as formula method. Now this is certainly a complicated quadratic equation, so I'll tell you how to convert this complicated quadratic equation into a simple form. So what we'll do over here, we know that this is not in the form of quadratic equation. So first of all, we'll convert this equation in the quadratic equation form. So we'll assume x plus 1 upon x to be what? K, or we can assume it to be y also. So we'll assume it to be as a y. Now see, we have one identity over here. You might have studied in 9th standard. The identity is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that is equals to 4ab. If you are not knowing it, so I'll solve it over here for you. See, a plus b whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I'm doing a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So minus sign अंदर shift हो जाएगा, all signs will be changed, so it will become plus 2ab. This b square get cancelled, a square get cancelled. Hence we have got what? 4ab. So this is same identity we'll put over here. What we know? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. So we'll write over here x plus 1 upon x whole square. This is a and this is b. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. A is what? X, and b is what? 1 by x. So this will be cancelled. Overall we'll get over here is what? 4. Now अब हमने इसको तो क्या कंसिडर किया है? y. दिस इज y स्क्वायर. सो अब इसकी वैल्यू इस 4 को हम यहाँ शिफ्ट कर देंगे. सो y स्क्वायर माइनस 4 किसकी वैल्यू आ गई? इसकी. ये वैल्यू, दिस वैल्यू विल सब्स्टिट्यूट ओवर हियर. Thus we'll get a equation in the form of quadratic equation. Now see over here, what we have got? 4 into y square minus 4 plus 8 into y equals 29. Thus इसको अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो 4y स्क्वायर माइनस 16 प्लस 8y माइनस 29 इक्वल्स 0. इसको फर्दर सॉल्व करते हैं तो what we'll get over here? We'll get a quadratic equation, that is 4y square plus 8y minus 45 equals 0. हम यहाँ से कुछ कॉमन नहीं ले सकते. Now what we'll do? We'll compare this quadratic equation with the given quadratic equation form, that is this. So on comparing this with this, on comparing this quadratic equation with the given form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is what? 4. Value of b is 8 and c will be what? Minus 45. Putting these values in this formula. Now what we'll get? X is equals to minus b, that means minus 8, plus minus 8 square 64, 4ac. A is what? 4 and c is what? Minus 45 upon 2a, that is 2 into 4, 8. On solving this, we'll get x is equals to minus 8 plus minus under root 64. इसको multiply करेंगे, we'll get 720. This minus and this minus will be plus upon 8. Thus x is equals to minus 8 plus minus 784 and 784 किसका स्क्वायर रूट होता है? तो ये होता है किसका? 28 का. Thus we'll get over here minus 8 plus minus 28 by 8. एक बार हम इसमें प्लस साइन लेंगे, सो x is equals to minus 8 plus 28 by 8 एंड वन टाइम हम इसमें क्या ले लेंगे? नेगेटिव साइन. सो इधर आ जाएगा हमारे पास, विल गेट ओवर हियर 20 by 8 and over here we'll get x is equals to minus 36 by 8. Thus when we'll solve this, so we'll get 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20, and when we'll solve this, we'll get 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. Thus the value of x will be 5 by 2 and minus 9 by 2. The same question we can solve with the help of factorization method also. And this is what? This is the formula method which we have discussed. See, this question was little bit complicated. X minus 1 by x whole square. There are simple questions also which can be solved by this method. Now the question is 3x square minus 8x minus 3. This is a simple quadratic equation we can see over here. We'll solve this question again by formula method only. A is what? 3. B is minus 8. C is minus 3. Putting these values in this formula, minus b, that is minus minus plus 8. B square minus 8 square 64 minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into minus 3 upon 2a, 2 into 3 6. Thus इसको solve करेंगे, so x is equals to 8 plus minus 64, 4 3 is 12, 3 is 36 by 6. So x is equals to 8 plus minus square root of 100, so that is 10. So एक बार प्लस साइन ले लेंगे जैसे पहले मैंने बताया था, एंड एक बार हम नेगेटिव साइन लेके सॉल्व करेंगे. So here we'll get x is equals to 18 by 6, thus 6 3s are 18, and here we'll get x is equals to minus 2 by 6, that is minus 1 by 3. So the answer is 3 and minus 1 by 3. Now we'll see the next method, that is completing square method. Now we'll solve this quadratic equation by the third method, that is completing square method. देखिए completing square method में केवल step 3 there are 3 steps which we have to follow. The very first step is step 1, coefficient of x square should be 1. तो हमारे in our given question it is automatically 1. So we will not do anything. Coefficient of x square should be 1. Step 2 is transfer the constant term to other side. Transfer constant term to other side. So we will do x square minus 8x equals minus 5. Step 3 says that we have to adding half coefficient of x whole square. ऑन बोथ साइड्स, दोनों साइड में half of coefficient of x will add on both the sides. So now what we'll get, x square minus 8x ये ऑलरेडी है, क्या ऐड करना है, हाफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x का होल स्क्वायर, तो हाफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज व्हाट 8, ये हमने ऐड किया. सेम थिंग वी हैव टू ऐड ओवर हियर 8/2 होल स्क्वायर, thus we'll get what 4. Here we'll get what 4 square, that means यहाँ पर हमको करना है 16. Now we'll solve what, x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 5 अगर हम करें तो we'll get 11. Now अब क्या करेंगे, ये तो देखिए आइडेंटिटी बन गई, a square 2ab and b square, so x minus 4 होल स्क्वायर किसके इक्वल 11. ये स्क्वायर को हम कहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर, सो दिस 11 विल बी अंडर स्क्वायर रूट, सो x minus 4 is square root of 11, thus plus minus 11. So now we have to find out the value of x. So what we'll get, x is equals to 4 उधर शिफ्ट होगा, 4 plus minus root 11. So answer will be 4 plus root 11 and 4 minus root 11, क्योंकि root 11 का हमारे पास, if we'll solve root 11 तो we'll get its values in point, तो हम root 11 भी लिखेंगे तो no problems in that. So this is completing square method. Actually this method is not an ICSE board, it's an CBSE board, but you people can see it for your reference and you can study it, so that if in future the question comes related to this question you can solve it. The question is, question में केवल 3 मेजर स्टेप्स होते हैं. x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट 1, it should be 1, if it is not 1 तो we'll bring it out to be 1. Then constant term को शिफ्ट करना है to the other side, and then half coefficient of x का होल स्क्वायर will add on both the sides. अब इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट is 5, it is not 1, so to bring it 1 what we'll do, we'll divide this equation by 5. Step 1 यही था, so we'll do 5x square by 5 minus 2 by 5x minus 3 by 5. हमने पूरी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को 5 से डिवाइड कर दिया. If we'll do over here also तो we'll get 0 only, no problems in that. Now next step क्या था, constant term को उधर शिफ्ट करना है, तो x स्क्वायर माइनस 2/5x इक्वल 3/5. अब क्या करना होता है, दिस इज स्टेप 1 कि x स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट शुड बी 1, एंड दिस इज स्टेप 2, कांस्टेंट टर्म वी हैव टू शिफ्ट टू अदर साइड. स्टेप 3 इज व्हाट, एडिंग हाफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x ऑन बोथ साइड, स्क्वायर, सो 2/5x प्लस हाफ into 2/5 का होल स्क्वायर, so this and this got cancelled, 3/5 plus overall 1/5 का होल स्क्वायर. so ये तो फॉर्मूला बन गया, this is x minus 1/5 होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला, and we'll solve over here 3/5 plus 1/25. ये समझ में आ गया होगा, a square 2ab and b square, so it became identity of a minus b whole square. अब हम इसको solve करेंगे, we'll take the LCM and we'll solve it. So here we have got x minus 1/5 whole square, तो इधर LCM लेके when we'll solve it, तो it is 25. 5 into 5 we get 25, तो 5 3s are 15. हमने LCM लेके solve किया तो we'll get 16/25. इसके स्क्वायर को हटाएंगे तो यहाँ पर स्क्वायर रूट आएगा, सो x माइनस 1/5 इज प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16/25, तो विल गेट 4/5. मैंने आपको बोला था एक बार प्लस साइन लेके सॉल्व करेंगे, एक बार माइनस, तो विल गेट वैल्यू व्हाट 1/5. ये माइनस है वहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, प्लस 1/5 प्लस माइनस 4/5, सो x विल बी 1/5 plus 4/5 and 1/5 minus 4/5. एक बार हम प्लस लेंगे, एक बार हम माइनस लेंगे, so here we'll get 5 by 5 1, and here 1 minus 4 will get minus 3 by 5. So students, this is how we have completed our two topics today, that is the introduction one and second is the methods of solving quadratic equation. We have discussed three methods over here. The one was factorization, second one was formula method, and this third one was completing square method. In my next video, that means in part 2 of this quadratic equation, we'll see the nature of the roots.